This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make brownies with chocolate cake mix. Preheat oven to 350 degrees F and grease an 8x8 pan evenly. Combine cake mix, eggs, oil, and water in a bowl and stir until just combined, avoiding overmixing. Fold in optional chocolate chips or nuts for extra texture. Pour batter into the pan and bake 20 to 30 minutes until edges set and center is slightly moist. Gather cake mix, 2 eggs, 1/3 cup oil, and 1/4 cup water for a classic fudgy mix. Adjust oil for richness. Preheat to 350 degrees F while you prep a greased 8x8 pan. Add optional 1/2 cup chocolate chips or 1/2 cup chopped nuts for texture and flavor. Mix until no streaks remain but do not overbeat, which adds air and makes the brownies cakier. Pour and tap the pan gently to level the. Place the pan in the center rack and bake 20 to 30 minutes, checking at 20 minutes for moist crumbs on a toothpick. Rotate the pan halfway if your oven has hot spots for even browning. Cool at least 15 minutes to let the brownies set and make clean cuts. For warm servings, heat briefly and add ice cream. For denser bars, cool completely and refrigerate briefly before slicing. Store covered at room temperature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.